My name's Sandy and I joined the Academy in March, earlier this year. So far so good. My son was a bit worried about me joining, but we proved him wrong. I've become an accidental deal sourcer. I've sold a few deals, buying a property at auction. Just took on my first rent-to-SA. So things are moving really quickly, considering how long.
Does that surprise you how quickly you managed to do that amount yourself?
Yeah, it's really weird because I thought that things were going quite slow, but actually all of a sudden everything seems to be, coming together. So I'm really excited. But you always, when you come to things like this and you speak to people, I think you always feel like you're behind everybody. But yeah, I think I'm doing okay.
With those results, obviously a lot of it is down to how hard you work. But do you think a lot of that is also to do with the academy and the training?
Literally, I'm absolutely buzzing off the academy. I wouldn't be doing half the things I'm doing if it wasn't for the academy. So yeah, I'm really pleased. I'll definitely be joining again next year. So yeah.